Hey everybody, it's Brian over at Showcase Agency. Today we're going to talk about reverse mortgages. We're going to talk about whether or not you can actually go out and purchase a house or a condo or a townhome or a duplex, triplex, quadplex. Can you go out and do that with a reverse mortgage? Well, good news is you can, and it's a very common thing. A lot of times a person, when they get into retirement, maybe they want less yard work, so they want to get rid of their house that they've got and then go purchase something smaller that doesn't have the yard work, or maybe they want to go purchase something that's in a different area, closer to family or grandkids or whatever. So there's all kinds of reasons why a person as they've gotten older just doesn't want to keep the house that they've got. They'd rather have a different house. Could be stairs. A lot of times as people get older, they don't want to go up, a couple of flights of stairs. So it's really common for people to sell their current home, take the cash or some of the cash that they received from the sale and apply that to the down payment so that they could get what's called a reverse mortgage purchase loan. So it's a reverse mortgage loan. You never have to make a monthly payment as long as you live in the home. So that's the main reason that people do it. But yes, you can do it. You can buy a duplex, a triplex, a quadplex, as long as you're gonna live in one of those units. So absolutely, you can use it to purchase a home. The other situation we see sometimes is not where a person is selling the house to go buy a different house with a reverse mortgage. Sometimes what we see is where a couple is divorcing and one person in the one of the people in the couple receives some cash from the equity that they have in the home through the divorce, and then they take that cash and they put it as a down payment and they use a reverse mortgage to purchase the house. So yes, you can. If you've got questions about reverse mortgages, we'd love to help. Schedule a discovery call with myself or with Karen, and on that call we're going to be able to answer all your questions. We're going to be able to ask you some questions, get you thinking about some of the things that maybe you hadn't considered that you should, and we're also going to get you a lot of new information about reverse mortgages. Another thing that we're going to do is get you a couple of important documents. One is we're going to get you a personalized reverse mortgage loan quote so that you can see what the estimated costs are. You can see how much money is estimated to come back to you. You can see different loan programs that are available and the advantages and disadvantages of both. So that's what you're going to have on the reverse mortgage loan quote. The other document that you get is an amortization schedule. And the amortization schedule is super helpful because a lot of people considering a reverse mortgage are worried that the balance on the loan is going to end up being more than what the house is actually worth. So that's a great concern. It's a valid concern. We hear it from a lot of people. The amortization schedule is what clears that up because it has an estimated amount that the loan is going to grow, because remember, you're not making a payment, but there's interest and there's mortgage insurance. So over time, the balance is going to go up, but your value is also going to go up. So we've got that retained equity, and the amortization schedule, you can look at it and you say, okay, in a year, in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, what's the expected equity that I would have in the home? So go to showcasereversecall.com. You can schedule a call there. No cost, no obligation, no hassle. We don't pressure you. There's another resource we've got for you at showcasereverse.com. It's a free guide. It's our guide called Reverse Mortgage Pros and Cons, and you can download it at showcasereverse.com. It's free. And one last thing for you, if you're looking for more reverse mortgage videos like this one, check out our YouTube channel, reversemortgageyoutube.com.